Okay, I've got my GMC 5.3 engine, and when I first start it up, it starts missing, and after I start driving it, it's okay. And what's going on is I have replaced these ignition coils one time, and it did the same thing under a load or not under a load, either way. It just starts missing on one cylinder. Well, this time I've let it go so long, now it's missing on a couple of cylinders. So we're replacing them, and they're fairly simple. Luckily, this is one of the simple things. You pull the plug wire off, and it's always best to replace the plug wires too. And then there's two bolts, one at the top, and then of course this one right here that I'm fixing to take out. Whoops, I forgot. I got to take the ignition wire off. And okay, so you just pull back the clip and just lift it out, and then this coil takes care of all the rest. All it does is feeds a little energy to it, and then that's all there is to it. So I've got the 4 on this side. So now we need to do the other side. I'm not going to replace just 1 or 2 of them. I'm going to replace them all. Well, I got these cotton picking mosquitoes flying around, and sometimes we're stuck out in the open. But let me show you what I'm going to do is spray the engine in my area where I'm working with this stuff. That'll keep them out of here. Back to putting in the ignition coils. They will only go one way. Plugs in at the top. Plug wires at the bottom. 2 screws, and that's it. 8 of them on this particular engine. Well, I fired it up. No missing. Nice and quiet. I've driven it now for about a week, and I wish I'd have shown you before, but the engine light is not on anymore, so it has reset itself. If you've got a 5.3 or something like that that's got these type of ignition coils in them, well, they're fairly simple to change. Alrighty, well, good luck on all your good luck on everything.